In today's video, you will learn how to make almond flour at home, and we'll also get to see 10 reasons to use this flour in your recipes. Have you ever heard about almond flour? It is common to see it being used as a substitute for wheat flour in bread, cakes, cookies, etc. If you have tried something done with almond flour, share your experience with us. Tell us if you chose to try it or if it is because of medical treatment. White flour has been losing some space on the menu of those who follow a healthy diet. This is because white flour is a source of simple carbs, which, when in excess, cause insulin peaks and favor weight gain. Also, more and more people are finding they are gluten intolerant or even celiac. But even those who follow a gluten-free or low-carb diet don't need to stop eating bread, pies, and cakes. All you need to do is use almond flour. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Almond is an oilseed rich in fiber, protein, minerals, and good fats. It is a great source of copper, arginine, phytosterols, and polyphenols. When ground, it becomes a fine flour that can be used in many recipes. It offers many benefits such as antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, contributes to the lipid blood levels, increases the sensation of satiety, has a low glycemic index, aids in the control of cholesterol, improves high blood pressure, contributes to insulin sensitivity and other cardiovascular risk factors, helps in cases of oxidative stress, excess of free radicals that leads to premature aging, improves performance and resistance during physical activities. Amazing, isn't it? Although almond offers these many benefits, it is not recommended for everybody. According to experts, people who are allergic to oilseeds and people with herpes must avoid almonds because it has a lot of arginine, an amino acid that is harmful to those who have the herpes virus. To make almond flour, all you need to do is put almonds in a blender or food processor until it becomes flour. Then store it in a glass container with a lid in the fridge. If you want your almond flour to be white, remove the shell by boiling it in hot water for 3 minutes. The shells will easily come out. Then take the almonds to the oven on low heat and bake until they are dry but not toasted. Remove from the oven, let it cool down, then add to the blender or food processor. Easy, isn't it? Do it and share your experience with us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.